In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks and projects, but let's face it, sometimes mistakes happen. Whether you've accidentally moved a card to the wrong list or made some changes you didn't intend, knowing how to quickly undo those actions can save you time and frustration. So let's dive into how you can do that. First things first, you'll want to open your Trello board. Go ahead and log into your Trello account at trello.com. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the board that you're currently working on. Make sure it's the right one, as you don't want to accidentally undo actions on a board you're not focused on. Now, here's an important point to consider. Before you perform the undo command, make sure that the board is actively selected. You should not be typing in a card title, description, or any other text field. If you find yourself in one of those text fields, just click somewhere else on the board so you're back in the active space. This makes sure that your keyboard will properly register the undo command. All right, so you've made a mistake. Perhaps you dragged a card to the wrong list or changed something in a way that just doesn't feel right. After you realize you've made a mistake, don't panic. You have a simple solution right at your fingertips. To execute the undo command, you can use your keyboard. Immediately after making the mistake, just press the Z key on your keyboard. That's right, just the Z key. When you do this, Trello will instantly move that card back to its previous position, just like magic. It's a super quick fix that can really help you maintain your workflow without skipping a beat. Now, if you've made several changes that need undoing, remember that each time you press the Z key, it will effectively reverse the last action you took. This means you can keep pressing the Z key to continue undoing previous actions one by one. Just be mindful that if you hit the Z key too many times, you might end up reversing actions that you actually wanted to keep. So it's always a good idea to pay attention to what changes you're making. And just like that, you've learned how to quickly undo an action in Trello. It's a small feature, but it's definitely one of those things that can boost your productivity and give you peace of mind knowing you can easily correct mistakes. If you found this tutorial helpful, I encourage you to subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks. And be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Trello.